Welcome. Today we have the FoodCycler Eco 3 compact home food processor and recycler. I have to admit I was a little hesitant. It had sat on the floor for a while. I hadn't tried it. I read the book and it says that I can put in coffee grounds, the filter. I put in a whole avocado. You saw some onions, some tomato, and this is what came out after 4 hours of nearly silent, odorless processing. Well, this is our reaction. It's amazing.
Oh my god. I'm so excited.
Feel it.
Oh my gosh.
That's soy. I mean, this is good.
Wow.
This was avocado and some onion. That is amazing. That is just amazing.
That's so cool.
That changed right away.
Oh my gosh.
As you can tell, we're pretty impressed with it. We went from this bowl of kitchen scraps to this pile of dirt. I'm very happy with this. I think you will be too. As always, thank you for watching.